exactly what I bought from the grocery store. Ready, you want to use the machine?
Want you grab a whole slab?
So you guys, I hear all the time, if you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, well, mostly Instagram, you know that I have been keto for a little minute. Stop. And most of the time when I do talk about keto with people, they always say, well, what type of meals do you eat? Like, what do you get from the grocery store? Like, what does that look like? Because a lot of times people can't imagine, honestly, having a meal without a carb. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly what I bought from the grocery store for the meals that I like to prepare during the week. So if you like to see that video, just keep on watching. I'm just gonna bring all the groceries over here. They're on the floor right now. I went to 3 different places, 3 different grocery stores. That's what we do. We like to catch the deals at the different spots. Every spot has a different type of deal. We do use an app called Flip. No, this is not sponsored, but I wish it was. The Flip app helps us to find different deals and coupons for all of our local grocery stores. So first things first, I'm just gonna start with the bag that's nearest to me. So we have some chicken broth, y'all. Chicken broth is like, King, move. Chicken broth is like my binder. You can make soup with it. You could, I'm gonna make some black eyed peas today and I'm gonna put this in there. It adds for really good flavor. So yeah, chicken broth, strawberry and honey, Greek yogurt. Y'all, they didn't change the packaging of the Greek yogurt. It's all cute. That got some avocados because they are the truth. If you did not know, avocados are a wonderful fat for you. So these are very keto friendly. I eat these a lot with like my meals, even with like regular random meals like dinner, like having nothing to do with salad and or avocado toast. Like I still eat these with it. It helps to fill me up and I really like it. Mushrooms, my go-to. I love mushrooms. Sun-dried tomatoes. I'm making some salmon Florentine this week. No, bitch, I did not just create that or knew about that. I got that off Pinterest. So a lot of times when I am trying to prepare my meals, I will go on to Pinterest or I will go on to Keto Tips on Instagram and get some meal ideas. So yeah, I don't go off the dome. Like I definitely try to get some ideas from online. So I have some sun-dried tomatoes, which are really good. Some Italian sausage, which I'm gonna make some like Starbucks-esque, those, what do you call them? Them egg bites. I'm gonna make those for breakfast really quick. I could just grab them and go. Because I'm not really a breakfast person, but I do like to eat breakfast around like 9, 10 o'clock once I get to work. So this will be perfect. And then I got some Colby and Monterey Jack cheese slices because I'm gonna make some roll-ups, some smoked turkey roll-ups for like a snack, a good keto snack. That is another good snack. So you'll take, I'll probably make a separate video of me making this, but you basically take your lunch meat and you take this, you take mayonnaise or butter, and then you could put olives, you could put vegetables, whatever, and you just roll it up. So it'll be like a turkey roll up. And then granola, this is not really that keto friendly. It does have about 46 grams of carbs in here. I do like to eat this, like y'all, like for like my dessert after dinner. I'll eat this with this yogurt. So good, but it is not keto friendly. Y'all, I like to stay under, like for every day, I like to stay under at least like 26 grams of carbs a day, at least, like under 26. So I try to make sure that I record and keep up with, what you looking for? Dang, we out. I try to, y'all. This is mainly for Danny because he be eating this like his popcorn. Okay, good. Anyway, then of course we got almond milk, which is go-to. We do not drink regular milk in this household. I got some Goya Recado. No, Recado. This is a Goya. This is like I got this from my sis. She is a Dominican, and she put me onto this. It's really good in like rice, soup. It's a really good base. So I like to get this, especially for Taco Tuesdays. We're gonna do shrimp tacos, so I think I'm gonna try this with the shrimp and just kind of see what type of flavor it gives it. That, and got some picante sauce from H-E-B's on what was on sale. What else? Okay, so bananas. This is totally for Bae. This is not keto friendly at all. Bananas are not good. They have about 10 grams of carbs or 10 grams of sugar. I can't remember, but it's very high in sugar. So bananas are not good on keto. And the reason why I remember that is because, y'all, when you go on Google, there's this keto guide on Google that will literally break it down for you about like different vegetables, like very common vegetables, very common fruits. It'll tell you like the grams of fat and carbs in each like type, and it has like this like meter almost, where it tells you like what's good, which is the green, and what's bad, which is the red, and then what's in the middle, which is the yellow. So y'all, of course this is not keto friendly. However, I love Taco Tuesdays, so on Tuesdays that is where I intake my carb only for dinner. These tortillas have about 17 grams of carbs, so that is actually not even bad. So that's definitely under my 25 grams of carb intake that I like to stay under, so it's actually okay. And some tomato sauce, because tomato sauce, I mean, it's the truth. Like, I mean, you could put this in anything. I just like, y'all, I love getting binders like this chicken broth, cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, stuff like that. Those are always really, really, really good for cooking dinner. Also got some Parmesan cheese. I got this for the salmon Florentine that I'm gonna make this week. And apple, that's for Bae. I got 3 lemons. I love fresh lemon, especially for seafood. We're gonna be doing mostly seafood this week, so got re-up on some lemon. And then I got some romaine lettuce. Rotel, which is my go-to. I love Rotel. Like, I can't get enough. Shrimp here. We have some bacon, which I am going to put into my egg cups. And I'm also gonna make them in my roll-ups too, my turkey roll-ups. It's gonna be real good. I'm trying out for the first time, y'all, I'm trying out these tuna pouches. I saw that these are really good on keto tuna, y'all. Any type of tuna, sardines, canned shrimp, any of that, like, they're really good on keto. So I'm gonna try these out for like a snack in the daytime when I'm at work, and just try to see if I could eat it like by itself, or what I would eat it with. I don't really know, because I always like, y'all, I like to crunch on stuff, so I love chips and crackers and all that other shit, but I can't eat that on keto, so I'm gonna try to figure it out. But I did get the lemon pepper tuna creations and the herb and garlic tuna creations, and y'all, these were only $1 a piece, so that was a really good deal. I also got, this is the smoky turkey breast, the smoked turkey breast that I'm gonna use for my roll-ups. These were on sale at H-E-B as well. And then, of course, I had to get some Old Bay for my seafood. Y'all, I cannot cook seafood without Old Bay. It's just so good. And it's really good on everything, like, so good. There's that. We also went to the dollar store. Mixed nuts from the dollar store. Cream cheese, I'm gonna use this, also use this in my rolls, in my my smoked turkey roll-ups. I'm gonna use some cream cheese. And some olives, y'all. I love olives. I love olives. So I'm gonna add these in my turkey roll-ups as well. A lot of websites have where olives are a really good snack for keto. I would prefer them to, if I'm gonna snack on them, for them to be the whole ones and not the sliced ones. So those are also a good snack on keto. And then I have eggs. I got 2 cartons of eggs, y'all. These eggs were 69 cents at my local Randall's. If you have a Randall's, Bayou, girl, shop there, cause they have deals. Now I ain't gonna, they can be a little bit expensive for some things, but for stuff like eggs, butter, chicken breast, salmon sometimes, produce, no. What else are they good for? Their frozen foods are good, like their frozen vegetables are good. And that's about it. Their bread is pretty good, but that's about it. Everything else is pretty expensive. It's gonna be a lot more than what you would pay at HEB or at, I don't shop at Walmart, but pretty sure it'd be more for Walmart or any other grocery store. We also went to Trader Joe's and we got the Trader Joe's Spices of the World 21 seasoning salute. Y'all, this is the truth. Like, this really is a staple in our seasoning cabinet. Maybe I'll do a video about all of our seasonings, because we do have a pretty good amount of seasonings. So, but this, y'all, if you ever get your hands on this, or if you ever see this, like, buy it, please. Like, you could replace this for like your seasoning all, or your like your, what is it? Not season all, but like the all-purpose seasoning. Like your all-purpose seasoning, you could like replace that with this. And it's not salty. Like, it's not like a lot of sodium. It's more of like herbs for real. You know what I'm saying? But it still has that, it still has the salt. It still has the flavor. So I really like this. And then we also got the Green Dragon hot sauce, which is also the truth, y'all. This hot sauce is really good. And I don't, like, y'all, when Bay first got it, I was like, oh Lord. Something else he always trying stuff, but this is really good, especially if you mix it with some sour cream, or mix it with like some avocados, like a guacamole. Sis, so good. Okay, we got some wine from Trader Joe's. If you did not know, Trader Joe's always has really good deals on wines. Their wines are normally from $3 to like $9. They have a section that's like $3 to $9 wines, and it is pretty good. So I got a red wine blend, and this is my first time trying this, but I got the Shaw Rosé. I've been loving rosé, y'all, for like the past maybe like 4 months. So, oh, and last but not least, some Italian sparkling water. Y'all, let me do this right, and I look like a crazy person. We have been obsessed. What's back here? Forgot. So I also got a yellow onion. Got some seasoning blend, y'all. I didn't used to get this at all, but like after having to cook, y'all, this comes in handy. It's like the bell pepper, onion, and red pepper blend that you can just throw in the pot when you need it. And I cook with onion and bell pepper all the time. That's always my base before I cook any meal. So instead of going through bell peppers and onions and having to do all that prepping, this will save me so much time. So I'm actually happy I got this finally. Some French cut style green beans. I love this because I like to put this with like some cream of chicken or like a sauce or something like that. So we'll probably eat this with the salmon Florentine. Probably eat that with this. Which is good. And then another apple. That's for Bae. I don't really do apples. I got some okra. Love okra. Love okra. Love okra. Love okra. My favorite. And then I got some minced garlic, which is also the truth. I love the minced garlic. Also have some fresh garlic too, because there are some recipes that I have and some flavors that that sometimes I try to develop. What is this, chopped? I get so excited sometimes when I be using the verbiage of the people on the Food Network. In the Food Network? Anyway. But when I try to develop these flavors, honey, I be needing some fresh garlic, you know, a little more fresher taste, okay? And then also got, y'all, this is the bad part. Hold on. Black eyed peas. I did get the black eyed peas in the bag because, honey, I'm not about to be soaking and doing all that for no black eyed peas. No, I'm not, I didn't want to do any fresh black eyed peas. So I did just go ahead and opt for the frozen. And then, this is the bad part. This is definitely not keto friendly. I got a box of macaroni that I'm going to make today. We're gonna have some barbecue chicken breast, some baked barbecue chicken breast. So we're just gonna bake the chicken breast and put like some barbecue sauce on it and bake it and make it all, you know. And then I'm gonna make some black eyed peas, and then we're gonna have some mac and cheese. Next week, y'all, tomorrow is Monday, so we're going full throttle on this diet thing. But that is not keto friendly, not at all. And then we got a good thing of salmon to be able to cook throughout the week. So this should be able to hold us over for at least probably about 3 meals, which is really good. It was a really good deal at the store. Y'all, that's that's my groceries, or my grocery list, or the things I got from the grocery store that is keto friendly. This is a pretty consistent grocery list, to be honest with you. Pretty consistent. Only thing that would change will probably be the protein. It might be chicken instead of fish, or beef instead of chicken, or whatever. So that's the only thing that changes. But when it comes down to like the sides and the vegetables, it pretty much stays the same. I do suggest, like, keto can get pretty boring, so I would definitely go check out some Instagram pages. I follow keto.tips on Instagram, and then I also go to Pinterest. They always have some really fun meals to do. But yeah, I hope this helps you out a bit, girl. Hopefully this helped you out in your grocery list on your keto journey. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Bye.